UFO, P-Line? What if I told you there's a place where dinosaurs are alive again? Today, I'm stepping into a mysterious dinosaur zoo filled with towering giants, roaring predators, and creatures that look straight out of Jurassic World Rebirth. But one terrifying beast, the D-Rex, is hiding somewhere inside, and finding it could be the big...
I visited a Jurassic zoo and discovered creatures the world has never seen. Then a terrifying incident shut down the entire park. Everything you're about to see was captured on my camera.
Welcome! That dinosaur is a herbivore, meaning it eats only plants.
Welcome to Sarwild Park. Enjoy your visit. Let's start at the center and explore each dinosaur zone one by one.
Tyrannosaurus rex had one of the strongest bite forces of any known land animal. Carnotaurus had short, horn-like ridges above its eyes and was a fast-running predator. Looks like we're finally inside the dinosaur park.
This horned dinosaur used its strong skull and horns mainly for display and defense. Carnotaurus could likely run very fast thanks to its long, powerful legs. Carnotaurus had unusually small arms and distinctive horns above its eyes.
Dinosaurs were real animals that lived millions of years ago.
Let's grab something to eat before the next exhibit. Spinosaurus is one of the largest known predatory dinosaurs and was highly adapted for hunting in aquatic environments. Spinosaurus had long, narrow jaws that were well suited for catching fish. Spinosaurus is one of the best-known semi-aquatic dinosaurs, adapted for life around rivers. Spinosaurus is believed to have spent much of its time hunting fish in rivers and wetlands. Let's take a short break before the next dinosaur habitat. Looks like the Therizinosaurus habitat is just ahead. Many young feathered dinosaurs likely grew rapidly before reaching adult size.
Feathered dinosaurs provide important evidence linking dinosaurs to modern birds.
Many feathered dinosaurs used feathers for insulation as well as display.
This place feels like a real rainforest.
Pterosaurs use their large wings to soar efficiently over long distances.
Pterosaurs were flying reptiles, not dinosaurs.
Many pterosaurs used rising air currents to glide long distances with minimal effort. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles, but they were not dinosaurs. Velociraptors were relatively small predators, about the size of a large turkey.
Velociraptors likely had feathers, much like many modern birds. Evidence suggests velociraptors had feathers covering much of their bodies. Velociraptors likely used feathers for insulation and display, not for flight. Velociraptors were relatively small predators, about the size of a large turkey. Brachiosaurus used its long neck to reach leaves high in the trees.
Brachiosaurus used its long neck to feed on leaves high in the trees. Its armored body protected it from large predators.
Ankylosaurus had heavy armored plates covering its body and used its powerful tail club for defense. Stegosaurus used the spikes on its tail primarily for defense against predators. Sauropods were among the largest land animals ever to walk the earth, using their long necks to reach high vegetation. This restricted area supports animal care operations and isn't open to visitors. Let's start with the aquatic exhibits before the feeding show begins. These marine reptiles conserved energy by spending much of their time gliding through the water. Watch the water closely. The animal often approaches from below before feeding. Some prehistoric marine reptiles used explosive upward lunges to seize prey near the water's surface.
Tyrannosaurus could grow to about 12 meters, 40 feet long. Tyrannosaurus had one of the strongest bite forces of any known land animal.
This looks more like a secure research facility than a normal zoo. These juveniles stay curious and often explore their surroundings together as they grow. Zoos often use suspended food as enrichment to encourage natural feeding behaviors and movement. This predator relied on powerful vision and strong jaws rather than speed alone.
Its spikes help make it look even more intimidating, even though they weren't true armor.
The predator enclosure looks incredibly secure. This must be the park's highest security enclosure. Many large herbivorous dinosaurs use strong legs and long tails to support their massive bodies.
Large theropod dinosaurs replace their teeth throughout their lives.
Control to all teams, begin the evacuation, and follow standard safety procedures. Many horned theropod dinosaurs likely use their crests and horns for display as well as species recognition.
That's fascinating.
Welcome! The lakeside viewing platform is just ahead.
Large theropod dinosaurs had excellent vision that helped them detect movement.
Mosasaurs were marine reptiles, not dinosaurs, and they dominated the oceans during the late Cretaceous.
This perimeter walkway lets visitors safely observe the habitat while staying outside the secure containment area.
These rainforest huts blend naturally into the surrounding environment. That prehistoric marine reptile breathed air, so it regularly surfaced for oxygen.
These marine reptiles lived in the oceans during the age of dinosaurs. Plesiosaurs used 4 powerful flippers to swim efficiently through ancient oceans.
Many prehistoric marine reptiles gave live birth instead of laying eggs because they spent most of their lives in the ocean. This prehistoric marine reptile was an air breather and surfaced regularly to breathe, even though it spent most of its life in the water. Many prehistoric marine reptiles were air breathers and had to surface regularly for oxygen. Control to all teams, begin the evacuation, and follow standard safety procedures.
Large theropod dinosaurs had excellent vision that helped them detect movement.
Large theropod dinosaurs relied on powerful hind legs for movement and balance.
Tyrannosaurus rex had one of the strongest bite forces of any known land animal.
That's a pteranodon. It wasn't actually a dinosaur, but a flying reptile.
Tyrannosaurus rex had one of the strongest bite forces of any land animal. Those giant predators lived millions of years apart and never actually met.
That's an ankylosaurus. Its thick armor and bony spikes help protect it from large predators.